underneath that door. So if I don't get out in time, and the whole thing goes through, they can then that door drop up, which might hurt. I don't think they'll hurt. A little bit. Got two other strands.